Whether water is leaking from the base of your toilet, you're remodeling, or just bought a new toilet, the Korky Wax-free seal is the best choice for a worry-free, easy installation. Old wax rings are messy and unreliable. If the toilet shifts, the wax can break, causing leaks, extra work, and unexpected costs. The user-friendly wax-free seal is made from durable rubber that creates a tight seal with cushioning foam rings that keep your toilet stable. The removable foam rings easily adjust to any flange height or floor type, making it universal to work in any bathroom. The flexible rubber forms a strong seal around both the toilet horn and the flange for a secure fit that lasts. Installation is easy. The included plastic washers prevent the bolts from falling over while setting the toilet. Unlike with wax, the wax-free ring allows for multiple setting attempts, so you can reposition the toilet until it's lined up just right. In less than 15 minutes, your toilet is set. The Korky Wax-free seal, the easiest, cleanest, most reliable seal for your toilet.